आयतारा मतदानाच्या दिसा पयलींच वादांनी सावळी पडिल्ल्या तालिगांव पंचायत वेंचणुकेंत सत्ताधारी मोन्सेरात गटान सगळ्या 11 सुवातांचेर जबरदस्त जैत मेळयले। या खर हारीक लागून विचलित जावन विरोधकांनी खंबीर रावपाचे उतर दिले। तालिगांवकारांच्या वतीन सातत्यान हुस्को उक्तायलो। तांचो आवाज आयकून घेवपाची आणि तांचेर उपाय काडपाची जतनाय घेवपाचे उतर दिले।
आताच काउंटिंग जे हॉलांतली आमी भायर येयल्या की बाबूश पॅनल आख्खे पॅनल स्वीप केला। 11 बाबूशाचे जिखून येयल्या। जशे परी आमी विचारले मॅडमी कडेन की कशे परी तुमकां दिसले की हे पॅनलाक कितले कॉन्फिडंट जातले। त्यांनी सांगले की आमकां लोकांचेर कॉन्फिडंट आसले ज्यांनी काम केला। आणि जशे परी आमी तांकां विचारले की ओपोनंटान सांगले की जायते प्रश्न ते सांगले की ओपोनंटाचे आमी आयकोची ना पूण लोक कितें सांगता ते आयकतले आणि तेजेच पासून तेजेर आमी फुडें सरतले।
We always sweep the panel because we always work hard, okay? And we have the support of the people of Talegaon, and I would like to thank each and every person from Talegaon who supported our candidates this time. And it is for a reason they support us because we work hard and we are always there for the people of Talegaon.
This was any tough competition?
No, there was no tough. We told you right from the beginning there was no competition.
What was the issue that people raised most of the time?
I don't think there would be a lot of issues. Maybe the roads, which Honorable CM has promised to do. So the state of the roads were like that because of the sewerage connection, and then there are few water issues. So that also CM has assured that he will help us. And as for Panchayat, we will continue to do whatever work is there through the Panchayat.
2024 विलेज पंचायत तालिगांव हाचे इलेक्शन जाले काल आणि आज काउंटिंग जाले। जशे परी आमचे पयले पार आमी मुलापार घेतली सरा कडेन तर ताका लागून आमी परत विचारया आयज ताका कितें सांगपाक जाय आख्या लोकांक तालिगांवच्या जी तांच्या पॅनल जे आयज क्लीन स्वीप केला तेणे ते सगळें सांगता की आपण सदां पॅनल हे जिखून हाडटलो। तर सर तुमकां
I thank our dear voters of Talegaon for supporting our panel, and they have always supported our panel, and I thank them for reposing their faith in me. I only like to tell all my Talegaonkars that I will never let you all down.
Sir, how do you see that people responding, especially this time you all had an opinion also to poll most of the electoral unopposed?
No, it is good. No, see what is the one. In democracy, everyone should get a right basically to contest. So same thing has happened. At least you know. See, once you have these elections, at least you know what is the pulse of the people. That is very important.
So do you see like people have voted for them also? It were not full people who are supported you?
No. See, ultimately what happens when there are 2-3 candidates, even there are supporters of other candidates also. So other candidates supporters also feel that their candidate is going to win. Ultimately the best wins.
Still you feel that there's a need of development. Still
there is never an end to development. Development is a continuous process. The infrastructure, basically when infrastructure gets old, you need to basically upgrade the infrastructure. So I'm very clear on that.
So what will be your plan of a new Sarpanch or whatever?
I'm thinking of having a new Sarpanch this time.
Will it be a lady Sarpanch?
No, there will be a man.
I take responsibility for we fell short somewhere. Maybe we didn't strategize right. Maybe we didn't do this right. But personally, I love this. I love election fighting. I just love it. Right. So I'm game right now already for the next election. And for me, this is like extremely exciting, extremely fun. I love the adrenaline rush and every election that we do as a team, we get better and we grow. And we're very happy with the results. We would like to say thank you very much to all the people who voted in the opposition. Right, this shows that there is a massive opposition in Talegaon. It's not plain and simple. It's not that he's going to win unopposed. It's not. None of that is there. Right.
We have put a panel of youngsters. We had 24. I think so. She's made us very proud, and the rest of the also teammates. Where we had like advocate 24-year-old, 27-year-old youngsters into politics, into elections, because they are the future. If we don't get them involved, then who do we get? So I would say having active people is very important. And सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं जे कोण येयले आमकां सपोर्ट केला आमकां वोट केला you know, it's really it's commendable, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts, because we are fighting to save our little Talegaon, our pure village. Those who vote for the opposition, you can clearly see what are their reasons for voting for the opposition. So I don't want to say that everyone knows what is the reason. So God bless you all. I hope that in the next coming 5 years that you all have brought this panel into into victory, that you will see some kind of result. But I will assure you, and I think so all of us here will be there at Gram Sabhas, will be there raising our issue, because we love our village and will protect it tooth and nail. And yo bore karo soglancho.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, विन्संट रोजारियो, मनीष परब आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू.